Hello everyone! Today we have an essential topic for those managing diabetes. We'll be exploring the top 14 superfoods that can play a crucial role in helping you manage your blood sugar levels naturally. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our valuable content. Now, let's get started. Understanding diabetes. Before we jump into the superfoods, let's briefly understand diabetes. Diabetes is a condition that affects how your body uses glucose or blood sugar. It's crucial for individuals with diabetes to maintain stable blood sugar levels to prevent complications. One effective way to do this is through a well-balanced diet, and that's where superfoods come into play. Number 1. Berries. Number 1 on our list is berries. Berries are not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants, fiber, and essential vitamins. These nutrients can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are excellent choices for diabetics due to their low glycemic index. Number 2. Leafy greens. Next up, we have leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in nutrients like magnesium, which has been linked to lower diabetes risk. Additionally, they are low in carbohydrates and calories, making them an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight alongside diabetes. Number 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are our number 3 superfood. These fishes are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Including fatty fish in your diet can be beneficial for heart health as well. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Let's talk about nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in fiber, healthy fats, and magnesium. This combination makes them great for blood sugar control. Moreover, the fiber content helps in slowing down the absorption of sugar, keeping those levels stable. Number 5. Cinnamon. Cinnamon, our number 5 superfood, is not just a spice, it's a diabetes-friendly powerhouse. Studies suggest that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Sprinkle some on your morning oatmeal or add it to your favorite recipes for that extra flavor and health boost. Number 6. Turmeric. Coming in at number 6 is turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It may also help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Consider incorporating turmeric into your diet by adding it to soups, stews, or even enjoying a cup of golden milk. Number 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt, our number 7 superfood, is an excellent source of protein and probiotics. The high protein content can help control hunger and aid in weight management, while the probiotics support gut health. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars. Number 8. Quinoa. Quinoa takes the 8th spot on our list. This ancient grain is rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Quinoa has a lower glycemic index compared to traditional grains, making it a smart choice for those with diabetes. Use it as a base for salads or enjoy it as a side dish with your favorite protein. Number 9. Avocado. Avocado, our number 9 superfood, is a delicious and nutritious addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. Packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados can help improve insulin sensitivity. They're also rich in fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. Number 10. Sweet potatoes. Let's talk about sweet potatoes, our number 10 superfood. These vibrant root vegetables are high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. The complex carbohydrates in sweet potatoes are digested more slowly, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Roast them, mash them, or enjoy them as fries for a tasty and healthy side dish. Number 11. Garlic. Garlic, our number 11 superfood, goes beyond adding flavor to your dishes. Studies suggest that garlic may have blood sugar lowering properties. It's a versatile ingredient that can be used in various savory dishes, enhancing both taste and health benefits. Number 12. Eggs. Eggs, our number 12 superfood, are a fantastic source of protein and essential nutrients. Including eggs in your diet can help control hunger and support weight management. Contrary to past concerns, research now suggests that eggs do not adversely affect heart health in most people. Number 13. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes, our number 13 superfood, are rich in fiber and protein. They have a low glycemic index, making them an excellent choice for stabilizing blood sugar levels. Incorporate black beans, lentils, or chickpeas into soups, salads, or stews for a wholesome and diabetes-friendly meal. Number 14. Green tea. Last but certainly not least, green tea makes it to our list. Packed with antioxidants, green tea may improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. Swap sugary beverages with a cup of green tea for a refreshing and health-promoting drink. And there you have it, our top 14 superfoods for managing diabetes. Remember, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and consistent monitoring are key components of diabetes management. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone you care about, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. Stay healthy, everyone.